How to back up your recovery phrase on blockchain.com app. Now, if you have your recovery phrase, and next time you might need your recovery phrase, because whenever you're trying to log into your account, it will ask you for your recovery phrase, and that is why you want to back it up maybe to cloud like Google Drive and so on, right? To do this is fairly simple. First of all, make sure you launch the blockchain.com app and then make sure that you log into your account. After you do this, what you want to do is just tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen, right? Once you do that, here you will see under DeFi Wallet an option called recovery phrase, and here you can see a little icon that says not backed up. So it just means my recovery phrase is currently not backed up. So to back it up, I just have to select the recovery phrase option right here. Enter my biometrics to go ahead and then begin with this. It will ask you to let's back up your DeFi wallet. So just agree to these terms and conditions, because if you lose this recovery phrase, you cannot gain access to your blockchain wallet. So make sure that you store them somewhere in a safe place and then you do not give access to anybody. This is my recovery phrase, right? Now what you want to do is you want to simply back up to cloud or backup manually. Backup manually means you can write this down somewhere without letting anybody know that it's this one, but you can also back up to your cloud like your Google Drive and so on. So based on what you want, you can go ahead and then copy it and then back them up. This way you'll be able to back up your recovery phrase on blockchain.com. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.